So as a first thing, I would say bring your seat forward so you have the space to, here it is, so you have space to remove the pretension that is here. So first we're gonna get out this piece here. This is a bit complicated to get out. You might need to get it from the back too. Here it is. As you can see, there is a screw here. So let's go ahead and take these out. Let's put the screw back so we don't confuse them later when I try to put it back. Alright. Now you can see the seat belt just hanging here. So what you have to do now is loosen this piece of plastic a bit and then take this off. See, this needs to come off, not completely, but at least to here. And the same thing needs to be done on the back too. As you can see here, I already removed this part. It's over there. So you just take these well to here, and then you can go ahead and try to remove this part. As you can see, this brown plastic is held in place by these metal things here. There are two here, two on the other side, and there is one here and one on the other side for this other part. So you can get them out by using a flat screwdriver. One is strong. Alright, two. Let's get the other two out. Okay, last one for this piece. So you will have to take this off as well. If they get out, don't lose them. And the other one from here. Alright, you see, this part stays in place because it's under this one. So as you can see here, you have the other part of the other screw that holds the belt. So basically first you remove this part, put it up, you take it out. And here you can see the pretension, as you can see. So you remove this, take the belt out, you see, then here you have a screw. Just take it out. I think it's this one. Here it is. And then you will have two screws here, one here. Right. And the other one is gonna be a bit more complicated to take out because it's under this part, so you see? So you have to take that and that out. So what I've done with the seat belts, they were blocked from a car crash, so I basically bought other used ones, but they were working, and I replaced the belt that they came with, that there was like black, with these original brown ones. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next video. This is a bit there. Here it is. So those are the screws. The big one goes on the bottom, the smaller one, they are the same size, but this one has bigger head. Now the pretension comes out. It has two cables attached. One that comes out, where's my, I'll show you. One comes out like that. This one, the yellow one, comes out from here. And this is the other cable. So basically, we're done. As you can see, this is brownish. Those are the original ones. Instead, the one I bought, they were like that, black. So I had to change them and I will show you how to change the seat belt. I will show you to change the belt in another video, because I already done it for this one. So I will show how to do it for the back ones. Here I already done it, as you can see. Those are the brown ones. Here is done.